Ako yun naman, English pa. Programming pa, English pa. Programming pa, sir. English pa, sir. Asa ka mo lugar, sir? Okay, ano, tanawa. Asa ka butang import? Diha, import. Just the same, sino. Okay, this one. But before that, I'm gonna have, I'll finish this before a break. Okay, so in order to convert that, so you just type switch. Remember, the word switch is small letter, all small letter. Switch and open close parentheses. That it means that all of this are for switch. And then switch is that what is the variable that you need to switch or you need to interpret. So our variable is day. So for today, let us say case. The first case, it means the case, caso. Caso ba case? In case, like that. Case 1. That is, when you say case 1, okay, this one is colon. Okay, case 1, it means this one. Day is equals to 1. It means that if day is equals to 1, what will be our output? So the same, our output will be, I will not use the option. Out the print ln, and then we're gonna have our, say, Monday. Okay, that is how our switch first, no? So let us try. Say 1. So Monday. So we have our answer. We have our answer using this switch day. Okay. So for your other cases, let us have. Okay. The case does not accept the same case. Okay, the switch case remember this always. The switch case does not accept the same case. Okay, as you can see, it will cause an error. Case 1, there are 3 cases. So why is that? It has 3 cases. No, di ba pwedeng the same problem with the same case. One, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, 6, and 7. This is Tuesday. We have our Wednesday. We have our Thursday. Ano yung mga day na you are thirsty? Friday. Saturday. Okay, and then we're gonna have here our Sunday. Okay, Sunday. Let's try. So let us try our case. File void main string. So let us try 7. So the answer is Sunday. But let us try 1. What is the output? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. My question is, why is that? What is the problem? Okay. What's the purpose of break?
Kibali i-end niyang isa ka case, sir. Then ay siya mag-proceed sa case 2 if dili ma-meet ang condition.
Okay. The purpose of break is for a closure. You know? Pag naman uyab, hindi mo ganahan, you need to put some break. Yeah. Break para di na magpalayon pa. Anong purpose? Okay. Okay, the break. So, not just one break, guys, but every cases, there is a break. Sir, why it doesn't happen sa atong if else? It's because of if else, it has a curly braces. It knows when to end and where to begin and when to end. Okay, but in our switch case, there is no says here break. No? So what you need to do is put the keyword break. Okay, so this is how you are going to use the switch case statement. So you must learn when to use the switch case, when to use the if else. Sir, is it better bang switch if else among always na ginagamit? It's okay, but there are some instances. If you want your code to be simpler, you must use switch case. No? But I guess I don't know. I am not really sure if all of the programming languages have a switch case. I guess most of the programming languages, but the most common conditional statement that we are going to use is the if else man, not the switch case. Okay. So if we run again this is one Monday. Okay, that is how you able to accept. Okay, Monday. Wala na ding awasong uban. When you go with 5, we have Friday. But the same problem where if else. What if the user will input this one, 565? So if the if statement have an else, in a switch statement, we have what we call the default. Okay, the default. It will say invalid input. Okay, why is that we don't need to put break in the default? It is because it is the last is case, no? Siya naman ang last because the default is the last, you don't need to have a break. Because it means that there's no next case naman. So but you can I guess you cannot put another case after the default. Let's say 8. Okay. So, but if this is the case that you decided to put another case after default, that's the time you need to put break. Okay. But if there is no one below, why decide to put a break, diba? So no need na ang break if wala sunod niya. But since there is a sunod man, so you need to put break.